Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe bravo. And we say we can subscribe to the channel now. Obody say over subscribe. Obey say over click the subscribe button. Now what the notification. We have a new video or the first person what's a better. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi also to say. Shema Ofufroso na woje bi hwe na wo hu ya ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha no afi debate ensema beto ye pronso ewo hasi yiti ensema ekoso yiti
JB Dampare interest was about the Achem people alone. Now ye bia all ye bia no should be in conform with that. You always want the Achem people to be superior. And Otchere ha of a sign kind hobby and I want to explain my test to you.
Say this is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana could enable us to side step and further alienate the Kufour faction.
What say? At the end, you this kind of idea when you know about this banking is one. They want to protect the legacy of Nana the Danko Akufo Addo. One. They want to protecting the legacy. They say Akufo Addo can still be at home. But Akufo Addo will be controlling the Ghana banking sector. And Akufo Addo, Kwaku Bank of Ghana governor, for more they will bring people who are close to Akufo Addo and Kufour. Yes, and is it to Ewofie, but it to ne control ambassadorship. Franco Kwaku Kasa di, Kwaku must zito nyom popular, zito Kasembi akanta zito. And the NPP can be in opposition. The NDC or Afafanto can be in power. But thank you, and it's Anglophone. And no policy. I did be a person with Gabby and they'll fight against it. Then you become too unpopular.
You are now, watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kufour is being cited over here. I must say, they want to alienate the Kufour fashion. They can't alienator. They want to isolate. Kufour Babet say of Amoka say Simpa Penini.
Simpa Penini.
Oh. But he's just a shadow person in the New Patriotic Party. Thank you. NPP. They don't give respect to Ren DJ Kufour.
Budget no. Some budget
no. Ghana near or Bompire more my Ghana. Because the way and how things are going, we are going into a serious ditch. No Kasai. Ghana of a debt stock is 742 billion.
742 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes. Timer, 1957. Baba basi 2016 with 59 years of independence.
Okay.
Now Ghana carry 122 billion.
122 billion.
Akufo Addo, any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They cost 742. Oh, offer. Maybe a theoretical, a theory, and your practical. No, let's be objective. Let's be sincere. Of a young kind of credit. Where? Osha. Akufo Addo, who could detour the neck of the New Patriotic Party no Bawumia too. Go and listen to the no hint was say one conditional clause. Thank you. Conditional clause or they buy and say no when it comes to the economy we need knowledge about the economy.
Original platform so class
or say Bawumia being where economy Bawumia na stabilize the economy and the way FNJ Kufour and she say chin on the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kwajo and offer care dynamic say once offer the kind of maintenance no be no maso my car come of Abeka say Ebia Kwajo na efuta na ye. Se emfa say kan san say bi no no ade ba no no ankasa bet na hoso wo hwese oba be ye. That's when me anya kan na the meaning say that do the kan ne ba no. Eye nkrofo na ye kan ne de ma.
Ansana.
Yes.
Okay.
If you look at the economy and the run it in the Kufour, almost say it wasn't even the governor who was able to stabilize the economy.
Okay.
Timbemo. Of almost say governor no. Almost say the deputy governor Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He was able to stabilize the economy. And the Orefene John Agyekum Kufour, they didn't even give credence and respect to the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Okay. Also, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Deputy
yes,
fans in the command.
And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the head of the Economic Management Committee of Ghana. And I don't know, say, dollar is around 16 Ghana cedis. One mama was on. At this time, 4.2. It was between 3.5, 3.6.
Yeah, 3.8.
Thank you. Yes. And it's awesome. Within this frame, it was between 3.5, 3.6. When John Mama left office, it was 4.2 to $1. And Kufour says,
yeah.
A lot of Ghanaians registered their displeasure.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Civil society,
hot news all time.
Obi obey demonstration bi o ye leader bia on personal interest.
Obi a demonstration bia.
I'm telling you.
How ye leader bia.
I'm telling you. Go and check and Kufour no mo occupy Ghana. One, Ken Ofori Atta, he was a leader.
Yeah.
Ken Ofori Atta no he has been the substantive minister for finance and a cabinet minister for about 6 to 7 years.
7 years.
Mebwa.
Yeah.
Or Akufo Addo for you. Data bang and dia. Oba send us Aremeyaw Agyapong document. I will reveal certain things to you. Sa papa no occupy Ghana no come. Oba ben of which my boy me. Sa papa George Anda and even saying. Okay, sa papa you copy who to senya ho baby a. He was an NPP MP. And your friend say Anda. Well, yeah, Juma was MTN sa companies. So he was part of them. The deputy minister for communication, deputy minister for trade. Kojo Kyeremanteng, he was part of this Occupy Ghana. And then Kojo Kyeremanteng be deputy information minister, a substantive information minister, a cabinet minister, works and housing minister. Asare no person mo ka kire. And to be a yes no man obia won a personal interest, a personal agenda. Ni politics me achieve we e sankoma the yire e wo japade document. E sankoma of all penipa ba ko na say lawyer. We astute what being he was able to attack the NDC. He pointed them left, right. And them no say NPP by your mama in position. Internet, what to occupy Ghana be? Over.
Let my vote count to Nina.
Never ever die for any politician. Every politician has his own personal interest. Ghana, politician be on a personal interest. If you die for any politician, you die at your own risk. Because Nipan wagi kitana or model this kind of politics. Anyway, you fed a document.
Okay.
First of all, a lot of people thought say it was a fiction. But you can't say fiction. I had yes, it be funny say it was a dream. It be funny say it was concocted.
Yeah.
It be funny say it was an allegation. But Kwajo, I'm telling you today, Obibia will tell me don't joke with this particular document. Don't ever joke with it. This thing, it was well rehearsed, calculated, planned, and they're executing it.
But a bad Dana idea, a well rehearsed plan, our more executing about that public domain.
We are seeing Uncle Pompey so good in Muasia. Ukita Gemboni, and I didn't pass away any Bonia. Nyanko Pon Cobe first will be media exposing. What we mean is what Yenya Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Yenya Buzia, Yenya J. Kufour, Yenya J. Rollins, Yenya John Mills, Yenya friend say John Mama. Have you ever heard? So my catcher say Ebia. Yaba benya ebia boga japade and I say yaba catch say nya kumase japade and I say kai say you Nkofo bi wo ho a they are in the room omo dey say they should think, they should look into the future and try to make sure say they will siphon and milk Ghanaians money.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Zito ba poano zito me nua no nyina ate ho zito ko ma me Gyamfi afie wakwa wi ade we me nua bi ankasa me yire wo ho wa ankasa madam fu bi ankasa ne nipa no ko ade echi da bia no oba beka ade echi da bia no oba beka zito krofo wo kwa ha kokko wi awe ye bo anasa ya
and besi na Kwajo, I've not heard any official communique coming from the New Patriotic Party, coming from Kufour starting this kind of agenda, come to say we are going to rebuttal as Mobieka.
Ade so yesha that actually the group of Nkofo bi a woman yes wo maye
and yes a section of the Ache mafias. First now come can Ache mafia.
But among
for be say if you are going to form a fracas so much Ache from bestre but some Kufour no a peculiar to a certain kind of family.
Yeah.
Always they want to make sure say they will dominate. Always they want to make sure say omono be superior na ye inferior. Okay. Sanity. Now Kwajo, today we are going to the Japade document.
Okay.
BSc was banking sector nubiano. It was planned, rehearsed, work calculated, or executed.
Banking sector.
I'm telling you.
Banks are a good.
Yes.
GN Bank
right, yes.
Me say a good going in
you planned. They rehearsed it well. They orchestrated it well. And they push it to a certain kind of area. Maybe on the Bible be see Simbiswamo. And ne at the end of Japade documents offer. Bakwa bum last 4 months. At the Padiano, Bakwa bum last 4 months. People should calm down and they should permit me, they should follow us into this particular journey. Kwajo, way a page 5 offer was a way a banking.
Yeah, banking.
Was say the mother in terms of banking. Kwajo say cast the mother is the Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
thank you.
I say GPR2 mother of all transport unions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Kwajo say cast the mother. The mother is a supervisory unit. Bank of Ghana. Ghana banks in Bank of Ghana. omo no more supervisory unit. They give directions on authority. Omo roadmap, omo regulations in a banks in the edge. And then next year, catch us Kwaku be a banker. You should have a minimum capital. It says me at the Bank of Ghana. And that's also I know Kwaku be a bank. Fair me microfinance for it was around 600,000. Yeah. Maybe a 4 billion. This no man. They have a minimum capital. Bank of Ghana for no. Omo Kufour ma do na so nya correct. Omo ni pa bone for. Okay. One, they can come here if they hire bank. Omo ba be serious auditing of omo wi no. Omo unsa bank ni nya na so. But because I dey kito omo dey ba no. Omo muska kakra, they go and report a free and fair. Say adwuma no e konkan. But they are not thinking about sad creditors ni debtors nothing. Okay. They are thinking of their own personal interest. Yeah. And if you look at the supervisory unit, Angel Obama bag and say we should build stronger personalities, not stronger institutions.
You are watching GC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
You have a nice way to even help Zito. Maybe you revamp Zito. Your money is come find your way. And then say you are bank. Okay. But in the this Agyapong document, it was a plantain. Kwajo was say control of the mother is essential to the control in the industry. Okay. So far, the head of the mother and his first deputy are strongly aligned to our case. Okay. Don't person more can I say. If you look, our course, yeah. Now, if you look at Bank of Ghana, we have the governor, we have the first deputy governor, the second deputy governor. So hierarchy of system. So don't person more can I say. If you look at Bank of Ghana now, and when you feel what Bank of Ghana, the governor and the first deputy, they are aligned to this Agyapong course.
Because we can't trust us they are from our compound.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And to put them here critically, means as uncle for and will be a governor, will be a first deputy governor. They believe in the cause of this Agyapong. They are in bed with this kind of people. Okay. So before say they were coming into power, because we are going to appoint you to be the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Okay. We are going to appoint Zito to be the first deputy. Some for me anyway, no. They take concrete decisions for the Bank of Ghana. Okay. And the assembly of Mekabian as representative finito to year. And to your second deputy, it doesn't come in. Now, offer or say they are from our compound and we perceive no threat from these two. What you almost say, or move from a compound or move from Fio, or no one near neighbor. And to the governor and the first deputy. Okay. Or say the second deputy appears to be a gender advocate. And it's also not a source of discomfort. Now, say the first deputy and the governor, they are in bed with them. Now, Kwajo, if you go to the Bank of Ghana, the governor, Dr. Ernest Addison, he appointed on the 1st of April 2017 up to date. He is the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Now, the first deputy offer, your friend Dr. Masol Opoku Afari, first deputy, he appointed on the 7th of August 2017. Still, up to date. Enter make us a Japadian, don't joke with it. Or say, Nippon or a second deputy or a gender advocate. One, the case of a gender advocate, meaning say they are looking at a male or female. Yeah. But when you say Mameno or the Nippon or a second deputy in your bar, they are saying, don't say, or a gender advocate. So if you go to the Bank of Ghana, the second deputy, your friend Elsie Addo, Awazi, second deputy, 2nd February 2018, in your bone. Almost say cause a discomfort. Almost party say a stand say first governor any first deputy no more camp no. Some am we do munsu.
Because of Cabria in room.
Yes, because only a second deputy. Anytime be a young fan say ne. E be ambassador TV. Kwadwo na dey see you. Of an the first e be a deputy. Me na me second deputy. Assembly Zito Bekabia carries weights and volumes than me.
Yeah, because what they
and sometimes opio ye first biano first deputy no is in close bed and aligned to Oriana or near the governor. Okay. Sometimes the governor no equate me promote to be a man about shop just because ni pan bet me pan a year juma. And do tia some critically. Mamma no or your bar or a second deputy. Or no you be an home heading. And the assembly of can be an offer. Ain't me. Almost say in this vein, there's no need for changes in those places. Okay. And I be a kito I'm say some call for me no first deputy ni governor. Because they are in bed with them. Nana them Kwaku Addo, he should not die. To change them, no matter the because of Ghana. What I say, economy Jan and also, what I say, Enyan and also, say, this guy Kwaku Addo, $12 million, which is an illegal tennis. Still, Of because they're in their camp, they believe say as a Sankofon, they are fighting for a Japanese document because dividends, a best soon after the exit of Akufo Addo. Although in terms of bank, they can't say dividends. And for Swano, Ebian one million woman a woman after the exit of Akufo Addo. And it's all Sankofon the free war is going to affect them and they cannot get their dividends. Because Akufo Addo soon Sadia will move into because it is a case whereby they are pushing. Now, Kwajo, also in this situation, the first deputy would have to be supported to take over. Don't person much any say. Say young fan say Ebia, nipa no ye governor. Say the time so one anka offer ideally and come on na so man contract extension Ghana.
The deputy was saying it is however noted that the head is likely to reach retirement age before the end of phase 2.
Enter make say. Thank you, Midasi. Enter make catch say. Omunim say. Encha papa no be ko pension. Because of
Philip Addison.
Philip Addison. Ne time no be so no. Na Akufo Addo second term no da so. Jasemi. Now man no ebia ne time be so 2021. Akufo Addo can go to a second term. So be ko second term there. There's no need for us to do changes about this particular even if pension catch up with him. It is a pension channel. You bet my too diabolic. Ebia zito at these 60 years. Ghana, yes, a public sector, this is years. So correct. But because we want to play it smart and we want to achieve our dividends, it says it to your man contract. So, sir, or no, the governor for the Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
And enough, it is in it. Well, say, in that situation, the first deputy would have been supported to take over. And it's Uncle Kwa. Nipan Keso taking over no, should be the first deputy.
Yeah.
Because the first deputy is in bed with the Japanese document. Well, say, replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances will not be of Bawumia as
replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances would not be by promoting the second deputy into the role of the first.
The person Otchere say ebia papa no kra time so na say Akufo Addo kra ka so munya ne kwan no nkwa. Now the first deputy to come and take over as the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Name of Obano. The lady is not in bed with them. Okay. The second deputy on come agenda. But to play it smart. Instead of promote to my mere friend LC Addo. I'm an first deputy. We will bypass it.
It was a rather a strong Bawumia loyalist should be appointed to the role to further strengthen the Bawumia political cause.
And what they are now they are not looking at competence. They are not looking at someone who can stabilize the economy.
But they are looking at who they are to achieve
aim.
And to say, it blew what else they will bypass it. Secondly, they should look for someone who is a Bawumia loyalist. The person is in bed with Bawumia. The person sit and eat and dine with Bawumia. Obi a Bawumia didn't do it in the yes side way. Bawumia is also aware of this Japanese document. And to play it smart, Mami na nke se promote no se na nke ye adwuma yi na Kwadwo as a CEO obi abefa akwa Otchere nipa no your first deputy no in terms of hierarchy of system corporate settings he understands the nitty-gritty about the job e say this due to eba be so say be oba me governor oba so wa automatically do second
echo first
almost so mo nya ne sa
because of abeshim fifi
Mami no is not in bed with them adwene on person oba secondly e so mo nya obi a oya Bawumia hu nipa twotwomucho a o te Japanese documents we yase o met manya dividends no. They push that person into that role.
So this in line with protecting the legacy. So this is in line with protecting the legacy of Dana. Could enable us to sidestep and further alienate the Kufour faction.
Thank you. Offer. The person what saying and say the main motive and say a Japanese document. We are Santina Wuti, we are Kainina Wuti, special Ashanti people, maybe a bunny. I want to be open. I want to be blunt here. This document. Over this document, the main motive was to suppress the Ashantis. What do you think? After saying, they want to take control of Ghana, economic
and the
party. The main motive is to suppress the will of the Ashanti. They want to suppress them. They want to tell them say the Achim people are more superior than them. What I say, JB Dankwa. Whether I say Dombu, whether I say Buzia, JB Dankwa now. And if you look at of our kind of I'll say it is the rebirth of JB Dankwa. That's what I make. Almost a book we know. The main motive and say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo is seen as the rebirth of JB Dankwa.
Okay.
Go and read the history about JB Dankwa. JB Dankwa interest was about the Achim people alone. Now JB or Yebiano should be in conform with that. You always want the Achim people to be superior. And Otchere of a sign kind of him, and I want to explain my test to you.
This is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana. Could enable us to sidestep and further alienate the Kufour faction.
Was say, at the end, you this kind of idea when you know about this banking is one. They want to protect the legacy of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. One. They want to protecting the legacy. They say, Akufo Addo can still be at home, but Akufo Addo will be controlling the Ghana banking sector. And Akufo Addo, Kwaku Bank of Ghana governor. For more, they will bring people who are close to Akufo Addo and Kufour. Yes, and is it to Ewofie, but it to ne control ambassadorship. Franco Kwaku Kasa di Kwaku must zito nyom popular. Zito Kasembi akanta zito. And the NPP can be in opposition. The NDC or Afafanto can be in power. But thank you, Ofa. And it's Kufour. And no policy. I give you a person with Gabby and they'll fight against it. And you become too unpopular. Now, Tia, the human J. Kufour say, J.A. Kufour is being cited over here. I must say, they want to alienate the Kufour fashion. They can't alienate. They want to isolate. Kufour Babet say of Amoka Simpa Penina.
Simpa Penini.
Oh, but he's just a shadow person in the New Patriotic Party. Thank you. Said the A2 NPP. They don't give respect to Ren DJ Kufour. I'm going to give you an example. Otibonsu dem mubutugu. Otibonsu ko pimo J.A. Kufour fie ni nkomo. J.A. Kufour placed a call to Bawumia's office. Say Bawumia etu kwan. Bawumia na down for pa ne papa of fere ne pa no. Ewura ni din edi papa ya fere say do person we o chief of staff yofa. Fedoware.
Okay.
Fedoware. J.A. Kufour placed a call to Fedoware. Ekache so on Abu Ramadan. They should discuss the matter. Fedoware placed a call to Abu Ramadan. Abu Ramadan catches so need time to even listen to the matter. One. J.A. Kufour some years back, he was very influential in the party of Kaswanu Biafra. Yeah. But the man is just a shadow vice president, a shadow MPP person of Kaswanu Munti. And no be non person in this
shadow former president.
Thank you.
No, it's for waiting and someone at the point so the cow say so and now we're no so we can subscribe ya. Let's say over subscribe na what like it now we share video on Saturday of also opinion be okay. Also get me actually what na fire and so we now who work comment boxing. Interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.